about to make the burning candle experiment. All we need are 2 candles. Each are in containers. One is A and the other one should be B. Each of them has 1/2 cup water in them. So we are needed to light these candles, and after it we should cover it with these 2 containers. So now we have it lit. So now let us put the containers all together so that we may know and we may observe what will happen. So now the flames are going out. So now let us see what are the results. So now each glass is a bit red. So as we can also see, what we have also observed is that both candles went out. But let us see what had happened with the water. So it seems that both water has risen up. Both has risen up. And while the fire was burning, did the water rise up? The answer is no. Because while it was going out, when the fire became slow, very low power, the water began to rise up. And when the flame went out, there were a lot of water that rose up. So now, as we can see, this one has more water and this one has none. So now let us observe what will happen if we remove it. So this one has an easier pull. But let us see what will happen with the other one. It took me a little bit of time to pull it out, because the bigger it is, the bigger force it has. The smaller it is, the smaller force it has. But what made the fire went out? The answer is, it has no oxygen in it. Because without oxygen, both fire will not light. So as I was saying, fire needs oxygen for it to stay. But then it got covered and it denied because there were no more oxygen in these 2 glass. So that is it for all of the things that I have observed. Thank you.